Hey guys, let's talk about the Kasa app not working on iPhone. If the app is crashing, you're having some issues, you need to update the app. So basically you come here to the App Store and you look for Kasa and just check if there's some update available. So just type here Kasa and look for the correct one. In this case, it's Kasa Smart Home, right? So I just have the option to open it. And if there's an update, you're gonna see the option here to update it, right? If you already updated your Kasa app, and it's still not working, you can come here to settings and then go down to general and iPhone storage. And here you're gonna look for the app, in this case the Kasa, right? Let me just go down until I find it. There we go. And here you can offload the app and then you can reinstall it again, right? So offload the app here, wait for it to clean everything. There we go. And then you see now that you can reinstall the app. So you do this, just reinstall the app and you can test it again. And remember that's necessary to connect the Kasa app to a 2.4 gigahertz network, not to the 5 gigahertz network, right? So important to know that because I have here a Kasa camera, for example, and this Kasa camera only works with the 2.4 gigahertz network. So after the update here, it's going to work pretty fine, all right? So that's it. If you're having issues with the Kasa app not working on iPhone, just update the app and you can also offload the app and connect it to the 2.4 gigahertz network. I hope that helps. Please subscribe to this channel, leave a thumbs up in your comments, and I see you in the next one.